Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious KFC-style fried chicken right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh chicken and a special blend of herbs and spices. Getting these foundational elements correct is crucial for achieving that iconic taste and crispy texture. You'll be surprised how simple it is to recreate this classic comfort food at home with just a few steps. Next, we'll prepare the chicken for its flavorful coating. Soaking the chicken in buttermilk helps tenderize it and ensures the breading adheres perfectly. Then, we'll create our signature seasoned flour mixture, making sure every piece of chicken is completely coated. This step is vital for developing that famous crispy exterior and locking in all the delicious flavors. Now for the exciting part, frying. We'll heat our oil to the perfect temperature to ensure a golden, crispy crust without overcooking the inside. Frying in batches is key to maintaining oil temperature and achieving even cooking. Remember to monitor the internal temperature to guarantee your chicken is cooked safely and deliciously. Get ready for that irresistible crunch. Once your chicken is beautifully golden and cooked through, let it drain on a wire rack. This helps keep it wonderfully crispy, just like your favorite restaurant version. Serve it hot and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.